5 multiply 5 divided by 5 multiply 5 equal what? Here 5 multiply 5 gives us 25. This division 5 multiply 5 gives us 25. 25 divided by 25 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Here there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent, there is no addition, there is no subtraction. Here existing only multiplication and division. According to the order of operation, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. Therefore at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this division, then this multiplication. Here this 5 times 5 gives us 25 divided by this 5 multiply this 5. Here 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. Multiply this 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.